How to draw a tiger. Hello and welcome to Twinkl Kids TV. In today's video, we're going to draw a glorious tiger. Grab yourself some paper and a pencil and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Are you ready to draw a beautiful tiger? Start by sketching a medium-sized circle near the top of your page. Sketch a circle at the top left to be the tiger's head. Inside this, sketch two small circles at the bottom. Add a crescent beneath the circle. Next, add two lumps for ears, either side at the top of the circle. Sketch two eyebrows and then add the underside of the eyes. The underside is flattish. Sketch a wide oval that joins from the right ear to the right side of their face. Now add another wide oval. This will become the hips. Now for the legs. Draw a long U from the neck area. In the first wide oval, draw another longish leg U, angle it slightly back. In the back oval, draw a long U. Make this at the same angle as the first U. Finally, sketch a U at the back of the second oval. Make the angle the same as the second U. At the end of each of the first two U's, sketch a soft lump that will become a foot. For the back two U's, add another much smaller U for the lower leg and add a foot lump at the bottom. At the back of the tiger, from their bottom, draw a line that curves up to become the tail. Well done! What a superb start! Now for the drawing lines. Start at the centre of the tiger's head. Follow the line of the circle down the left. Make a tiny kick out of fur. Then follow the shape of the circle, going wider for the cheek. As you work your way down, create tiny overlapping lines to create the fur. Stop at the base of the small circle. On the right, do the same. Start at the centre, a kick out of fur, and then overlapping sleek fur with a nice wide cheek. Again, stop at the base of the small circle on this side. This is the start of their face. Where the small circles meet in the middle, draw half of a flat love heart. Do the same on the other side. Instead of joining the bottom, make a little lump facing downwards to make the tiger's nose. From the base of their nose, draw round the circle to 11 o'clock on the left and 1 o'clock on the right. Draw over his chin with a tiny zigzag to make some fur. Draw over one ear lump, making it the shape of half a butterfly wing. Make sure it attaches to their head. Do the same on the second side. Nice ears! Draw over the tiger's second leg to the ankle at the front. Do the back of the leg and make an angle to create the heel. Stop halfway along their foot. Draw on round the baby toe. Draw nearby semicircles for toe 2 and 3. Now create the front of their ankle, straight along the foot and the toes at the end. Draw the front of their third leg. Now for the tiger's back. Draw a soft, smooth line to join the front and back ovals. Continue over his hips. As you meet his third leg, go inwards to give them an athletic thigh. Draw down the lower leg, flat under the foot, and then do the baby toe. Draw another toe and then draw down the front of their lower leg and make the third toe to complete this leg. From their neck, Follow the line of the oval, making tiny zigzags of fur as you go along the line. Miss the second leg and then continue to the belly line with some subtle fur. Now for the first leg. Draw down the front to the ankle, down the back line to the ankle, make a lump for the heel, flat along the bottom and 1 to 2 toes. Continue to the second toe, to the front ankle. We can't see the other toes, they're hidden. Draw around the tiger's tail line, not touching it. This makes a soft tiger tail. Make sure the line joins his back at the top and bottom. Fourth leg. Draw in from the line at the back, then out to a lump for their knee. Their knees go the other way to ours. Down through the lower leg, flat along the bottom, then 1 toe. Draw down the front of the back leg, add the hint of a second toe. Draw over the top of his left eye, more flat along the bottom, and then extend this line like eyeliner, making a little curl at the end. Draw the tiny circle at the inner eye to make the cornea, right eye, over the crescent at the top, flat along the bottom, extending the line out and add a curl at the end. Add a tiny lump at the inside of the eye to finish it off. Draw the partial circle on each eye. You can only see the lower part of the circle. Add a dark pupil right in the centre of each eye. Draw lines from the side of the love heart nose in the direction of the inner eyes, but not touching. Draw tiny lines from the lump at the base of the love heart nose on the left and on the right. Draw 2 little curved lines beneath the cheek circles to make the tongue and mouth. At the top of his ears, draw a line down towards his head and then tiny zigzags of fur to join his head on each side. On his head, draw ovals and circles that follow the line of the top of his head. Make the pattern symmetrical on each side. The lines come from the centre line of the tiger's head. Build up a lovely rich pattern, the same on the left as the right. Make bigger upward bean shapes over each eyebrow. Add tiny ovals above their inner eyes. This gives your tiger their individual expression. Under each of their eyes, draw an upward bean shape, then 2 long thin sausage shapes to make the start of their face stripes. Do this on each cheek. Remember to keep it symmetrical and follow the outside line of their face. Go slowly and steadily and enjoy the process. Do you see the tiger coming to life and looking at you? What a glorious beast! Over his muzzle, the 2 small circles, draw tiny sharp stripes that don't go over the entire circle. Make them in line with the outside of the circle and do this on each side. Draw tiny dots on the top part of his muzzle circles, on the left and then on the right, small random dots. Next, draw them on his chin. Draw 5 handsome whiskers on each side. Keep the whiskers a similar length and span them out from the centre. These whiskers will help the tiger to sense their prey. Very majestic. Now for the body and legs. Start on the first leg, working horizontally and starting at the top. Draw a sharp V on the upper leg. Next, make a whole leg stripe that goes all the way across. Lower down, draw a slim oval. Next, make a couple of sharp V's on the tiger's lower leg. Stop slightly higher than the ankle. On their chest, make upright pointy-ended stripes. Add a pointy oval and some larger stripes. Create at least one that starts at their face. Make 2 upward facing V's on the front of their second leg. Now draw a great big stripe from the middle of the top of their leg to behind their ear on this side. Add a few smaller stripes in this area to make it look really rich. At the back of their waist, Make a wobbly, slightly zigzag stripe. Be creative and make it original. Celebrate your tiger being different from everyone else's. Make this their largest stripe. Now draw a large pointy oval, followed by another stripe from their back downwards. Fill in their chest with V's and pointy ovals. Cover them with designs so they can hide successfully in the jungle. Keep the stripes upright and add a few going from the belly area upwards. Enjoy the process of bringing your tiger to life. Now for their lower back. Add zigzag stripes going from their back towards their belly. Add a pointy V going up from their thigh line, then a great big curved V from their back along the thigh line of their third leg. Create V's and pointy ovals over his front thigh. The lines get closer together and start to rock backwards over his thigh. Draw a long pointy oval over his haunch. Come down the third lower leg, adding horizontal V's and pointy ovals. Do a couple of tiny horizontal V's on the lower leg. Don't come lower than the knee. Draw a couple of pointy shapes on his bottom. Then complete his back with vertical stripes. Add little V's in between the bigger shapes. Add a couple of shapes to keep the pattern individual and natural. We have a phrase, that you earn your stripes. This tiger is definitely earning his stripes, isn't he? Next we will work on the tiger's tail. Draw bands and V's across the tiger's tail. Keep them really small for this area. Allow yourself to settle in and become soothed by drawing the lines. The act of drawing can become hypnotic if we let it. Remember to add some zigzag shapes as you go up the tail, all the way to the top. Isn't he beautiful and ferocious? Did you know that no two tigers have the same stripes? Tigers are also excellent swimmers who hunt and play in the water. Over his back leg, draw horizontal V's on the lower leg, then some long bands and stripes at the top of his thigh. Draw a final V at his back knee to complete your exceptionally beautiful tiger. Very well done! You've created a stunning tiger. What would you like to name your tiger? If you've enjoyed drawing this super tiger, remember to like and subscribe so you can see what we are going to draw next. Watch this again if you missed any bits. See you next time!